My father, like a lot of Americans coming back from World War II, was basically cooking on a brick structure just like this. And it would flare up, he couldn't control anything, so he never was very satisfied with the way that worked, which got him thinking about he could do something better. That led him to inventing the original Weber kettle right here. Where the invention really lies with this is in the fact that putting the lid on really affected the way the heat was used in the barbecue and made it more efficient. And by putting dampers in it, he could control the amount of air going through the barbecue, so he could control the heat and the flare-up and the cooking process itself.
George Stephen worked for the Weber Brothers Metal Works, and together they made the kettle a big success. It's gone through some variations and refinements over the years, and is now manufactured in an enormous facility in Huntley, Illinois.
This is the only factory in the world that makes the Weber charcoal grill. And behind me there is machinery making the different size charcoal grills that we manufacture. We have 200-ton to 500-ton presses to press the different shapes of the bowls and lids. On the opposite side of the room are other presses that make the attaching parts for the grills themselves. The way the classic kettle is made, or any kettle is made, we put a steel blank in a drawing compound, which was like a soap material, to prevent the metal from wrinkling or cracking. What happens then is the press closes, and then a ram comes down through to actually form the shape.
From there, the kettles move on to another press to have air holes punched and excess steel removed. After parts are attached, the kettles are hung on a conveyor system. First, they pass through a washer to remove the soap compound and any oil and residues, so they can be coated with a porcelain enamel finish.
They go into our furnace where they're fired at 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. That gives them the durability and the shiny surface that you see on all Weber products.
The coating on each kettle is quality checked in a room with lighting approximating daylight. Next, in the packaging area, handles and dampers are attached to the kettles, which then are packaged with all the other necessary parts for shipment to destinations around the world.